Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails with juice. First, always prioritize fresh juice. It truly elevates your drink's flavor profile. Remember, the key to a great cocktail is balance. You'll want to combine sweet elements, like fruit juice or simple syrup, with sour components, such as lemon or lime juice, and your chosen spirit. Using a jigger for precise measurements will help you achieve perfect consistency every time. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools. A good cocktail shaker and a strainer are fundamental for properly chilling and combining your ingredients. For ingredients, fresh citrus juices, like lemon and lime, are indispensable for their bright, tart notes. Don't forget simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, to perfectly balance the tartness and add a touch of sweetness to your creations. When it comes to mixing, shaking is generally preferred for juice-based cocktails. Fill your shaker with ice, add your ingredients, and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds to properly chill and dilute the drink. For spirit-forward cocktails without juice, stirring is the way to go. Remember to always taste your creation before serving. This allows you to make any final adjustments to achieve your desired flavor profile. Finally, presentation is key to a memorable cocktail experience. A simple garnish, such as a citrus twist, a fresh herb sprig, or a few berries, can significantly elevate your drink's visual appeal and aroma. Choose the right glassware for your cocktail. It truly enhances the drinking experience. Serve your freshly made juice cocktail immediately to ensure it's enjoyed at its optimal temperature and with the freshest flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.